What's happening YouTube, your boy Tech Tricks back in another video, and today we're looking at another DLP smart projector. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you're notified when there's videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out much below at 113.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well. So let's go ahead and open this up. This one is a very small projector actually, where you can use on your desk wherever you go. And be able to carry this around with you, and I think it looks pretty good as well. We're gonna test it out today and see how well it does. So here we go. Like I said, you'll be able to carry it around with you. It even has a traveling case, so that's pretty good. Let's open this guy up and see what we get inside. Some literature right there, a remote, little stand as well. So I told you guys, power adapter right there, even an HDMI cable, pretty good. And the projector itself, there you go. Look at this thing, pretty small. Let's open it up and see what we have in here. There you go, like that. Boom. And that's it. It's pretty small. Now as you can see, this is the projector right here, pretty small. This one is by Toumei. This is the music projector. It has speakers in the bottom here. Projector right there, the lens. There you go. There's a USB-A slot right there. Headphone jack, DC-in, on and off. Slider right there, and an HDMI slot. Pretty good. Now on the side, there's a focus ring so that you can change the focus on your projector. And on the top, you can control everything from here as well. It also comes with a remote, so it doesn't matter anyway. But at least you'll be able to use this top if you are close to the projector. So you don't need the remote. Pretty good. There you go. Very clickable as well. Rubber buttons. Go ahead and turn this on. So as you can see there, it's powered up without the DC power there. The DC power plug there is only for charging the projector. And you'll be able to use it without it. Pretty good. On the bottom, there's also a tripod mount right there where you can use the provided stand that comes in the box. Place it on the bottom there, like so. Really easy, really quick. You can also put this on maybe a tripod or something like that so that you can put it higher or something. But this is what comes in the box, so this is what we'll use. Pretty good. Let's go ahead and hook this up and see what it could do. The remote takes in two AAAs. So there you go. As you can see, this is the projector right here. Really easy. Buttons up there. You can change the volume up here as well. There you go. And then you can change the menu as well right from the projector. It also has a built-in on Android software in there, so you'll be able to download a bunch of apps from the Google Play or something like that. There's also MX Player, which is the official Kodi now, right? And then there's also the Chrome where you can play videos in there. Of course, you can install a bunch of apps as well from the App Store. There you go. Let's go ahead and test out one of these videos right here. What's happening YouTube, your boy Tech Tricks back in another video. Today we're going to look at the Lark PA1 by Bowmaker. Here we go. Let's turn up the volume here. Let's see how well it does. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell so you get notified. So this is about halfway on the volume just like this one. Check out much below at 113.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well. Today we're looking at the Bowmaker Lark PA. So as you can see there, the volume actually I was able to go up to like, the max volume is 16, so I was able to go up to 15 and 14 right there. And it was pretty loud already, so the speakers are doing well. Let's go ahead and play some music now. Let's see how well it does. you go, it's pretty good actually. Now one thing you could do as well is plug in any device on the HDMI, like a computer or maybe Chromecast or maybe Fire Stick. Even your Apple TV will work on this. So any HDMI device, you'll be able to plug it in there and then play whatever you want. You can also play games here like PS4, Xbox, and whatever gaming you have, PC, just put it on there and you'll be good to go. Now this is what it looks like at night, and we're just gonna download. So here you can also download apps from the App Store right here. It's gonna update later, and basically you could just look for apps. And today we're gonna download the Disney Plus. There you go. Let's go ahead and hit install like so, and real easy. It'll just download like that. Boom, all good to go. Hit install. Let's hit open. Check it out. As you can see, it's very snappy. Very nice. Let's go ahead and hit log in here. There you go. Once you've logged in, you can go ahead and play some videos right here from Disney Plus. There you go.
Most people care about the truth.
As you can see there, it's playing very well. The sound is perfect as well. It's very good on a downlit room as well. Right now we're in the same room with no lights, and it's about close to sunset right now. There's still some light, but as you can see, it's putting out some great pictures. Now, for example, here you want to connect the AirPlay to your projector. Make sure that your device is connected to the same Wi-Fi as the projector, and then we're gonna go ahead and visit that address up there, and then we're gonna go ahead and download the app. Now we're gonna go ahead and go to the app now, right here, and then we're gonna hit eShare 1905 right there. Hit OK. And there you go. Now we can go ahead and TV mirror or share screen. Once we're back here, we're gonna hit share screen, go to control center, go up to here, and go eShare. There you go. Pretty good. Now we'll be able to have our phone here. Now let's go ahead and play something from YouTube.
And what's happening, YouTube? Your boy Tech Tricks. Back in our video,
there you go.
We're going to talk about the brand new iMac.
So as you can see up there, I'm still on the Wi-Fi, meaning you can use the AirPlay on the projector and also use your Wi-Fi at the same time.
The first
pretty cool.
2021 came out, and I think this is one of the best.
Another feature is if you click the power button on the top, right here. There you go, you will get this option right here. You can put it on a sleep timer, or you can use it as a Bluetooth speaker instead. Let's do that right now.
Switch into Bluetooth speaker mode.
And there you go. Now you can use your phone. Grab your phone now, go to Bluetooth, go all the way down and click Projector BT. Once you're connected, you can go ahead and play any music you want and use it as a Bluetooth speaker. There you go. Now with the File Explorer, you'll be able to use the main storage, which has 26 gigs to store a bunch of videos and photos and also music in there. And you can also use a USB stick so that you can play some other stuff as well from the USB stick. So in the settings here as well, they have a keystone where you can change keystone to manual or auto. We're just gonna leave it on auto. There's also projection right here where you can change the direction of where you are, where the projector is mounted. Pretty good. There's also video mode, where you can change for custom mode, cool mode, or warm mode. Change sound settings. There's also a system right here, where you can get a system update as well. You can change the noise of the fan as well. And then a bunch of change the wallpapers and apps as well. There you go. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a mini projector just like this one by Tomei. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well. So go ahead and check it out and grab yourself one. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace!